Top secret intelligence and risk assessment. Kuda kwashe Tagore and his criminal syndicate Zugananda, their unfolding impact on Zimbabwe and its politics. Sanabena mashoko pangwa ina a leaked top secret document pangwa ina exposer. Corruption yana kuda kwashe Tagore rupo subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Chipinda pangwa ina mwamuda ni competency. Source classification, multiple sources. Key judgments. Kudakwashi Tagore, Zimbabwe's most notorious oligarch, has built a criminal syndicate of politically connected and protected looters who now stand accused of orchestrating the greatest heist against the Zimbabwean people since independence. They have stolen approximately $7 billion. As public anger reaches a crescendo and a potential political transition looms, Tagore is attempting a brazen state and a ZANU-PF capture driven by massive bribery of key individuals within the state and party structures. Tagore and his criminal cartel are also seeking to rebrand and position themselves as a presidential hopeful to seize power under the 2030 agenda, which threatens to violate the Zimbabwe constitution and usurp Zimbabweans' rights to elections in 2028. Tagore is hoping that this power grab and the capture of state and the party will cloak his crimes under the guise of statesmanship. This investigative piece dismantles Tagore's myth-making, exposes his alleged pillaging of approximately $7 billion from the government of Zimbabwe coffers and warns that neither political theatrics nor Mnangagwa's complicity will spare him from justice. Thomas Karuda Pangwa a leaked intelligence and risk assessment top secret pangwa redated 5 June 2025 irikuexposa kuda kwachitagure zvakanyanyisa kuti aiwa mukomana uyu ari corrupt, mukomana uyu akainvolviwa mumabhizinesi akawanda nemumacontracts aiwa from the government, asi kuchionekwa kunzi they were funneling state funds zvakanga zviri corrupt zvakanyanyisa. Now vakuda kugrab power such a way that they can erase all those records. Ndakuma section medu kuti wafukuro elimotuli pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndakuma section medu, subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.